Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's not been long since I came back from Senegal trip was bad and good at the same time, but the bad one hit me so hard in the sense that I lost my phone. I'm not happy about it. So today I'll be preparing fish sauce my own way. I love eating my own food when I'm back home. I've rested for like 2 weeks now and I'm strong, so I'll be going to the market to prepare fish sauce, catfish sauce my own way. So stay tuned so you watch how I prepare it, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like, you share, you comment. There's love in sharing, as I always tell you guys. Meanwhile, I will vlog a little bit of how I buy these things in the market. See you guys at the market. I'm trying to get like spices for my. Here we have garlic, some cloves, yeah, and we have ginger. I think I need ginger. Okay guys, so I'm getting what's it called? Zobo, yeah. This is Zobo in Nigeria, but is it not Bicham in English? I don't know. Comment down below guys. I think I need this one also. Yeah. How much is it?
500.
Yeah, I think I need this. Guys, comment down below if you know this one. This is a very good aroma, spices. Yeah, I'll get one. Which one? Okay, that is I've forgotten the name of kumi. No. Turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. You don't have grounded one, a dry one. Yeah, I think I should get dry one. I hope it's not mixed. Are you doing yourself? Are you sure? But I don't want mixed things. How much is my money? Oh, this is the squeezed one. Yeah. Okay guys, so I got all the spices I need for my fish. I will pay now, and when I'm buying the fish, I will show you briefly, and then we go home. I'll buy tomato. 500. Oh yeah. This tomato is 500 naira. Pepper 200. Hi guys, I just got back home now, about to prepare my fish. So let me show you what I got from the market. In here I've got the fish. This fish cost me 4,500 naira. So let's begin. I'll begin by cleaning this fish actually with the lime and salt. Sometimes I use hot water to clean the fish, but this method I'll just use lime and salt to clean the fish. Guys, stay tuned so you can watch how I cook my stuffs. Cut the fish. I forgot. I could have allowed the lady to cut the fish at the market, but I did a mistake. So this is better with hot water. I think better you use hot water, guys. I think. But let me try this process of my salt. see if this works, but I don't think if it's going to work, because this is so slimy. No, this is not a river fish. It's a trained fish. That's how you call it. Trained fish. And use the hot water. So let me just boil water and put on it. It's better that way. Because I don't understand what I'm doing here. I've not used lime and salt to wash this fish before. I always use hot water. So let me just use my method. Okay. Let me just use my method. It's better. I will boil water now and I'll be back. This ginger, this garlic. This is the best method, guys, because of the draw. See? Did you see that? I have to off this gas for now. Yeah. Guys, this is the best method when cleaning your fish. See? Did you see this? See? This is the best method. So if you think you're going to use lime to wash this fish, you are joking. It's not going to work. The best method is hot water. That is the best method. Hot water. Don't know if you have another method. Please share with me in the comment sections, because I'll be going through all your comment sections to learn also from you. So if you have another method of washing this catfish, please comment down below in the comment sections. Yeah, and in your country, does this catfish has this kind of draw? Because in Nigeria it's too much drawing. It's not a sea fish, it's not a river fish, it's a, how do you call it, trend fish, right? Or agric fish. I don't know how you call it, but it's not river fish, and it's not, yeah. So let's wash it. See what's coming out of the fish. See that? Some people don't even eat this fish because of all this. Some people don't eat it, but I understand, because it's not everybody that will like this kind of thing. Some people don't eat it because of spirituality, but some because of all this draw. That's why they choose not to eat it. So if you don't eat this fish, tell us your main reason why you don't in the comment sections. It's more cold water, because I'm going to put my hands in it now. Yeah, I'll still wash it second time. See this? So you will not want to eat that at all. That's why it's always good to cook this fish at home, so you can wash it properly. For some people are lazy to wash it like this. Some restaurants. Yep. So I'm going to repeat that process until the fish is clean, and then we proceed to maybe 2 or 3, 4 times until the slamming draw is out of the fish before I start cooking. Before we proceed, guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you're following up, so you can cook yours at home, and let me know how it comes out in the next video. My red oil, guys. In Nigeria we eat this oil a lot, so I'm gonna go in with the red oil first. Then we're just gonna add in the other oil. Enough. Mix it. Allow it to simmer for a while to boil. That's enough now. So in goes the ginger, garlic, onions. In goes the salt. Just a little bit of salt. This is a turmeric that I bought. I'm just going to add it a little bit for coloring. That's all. Little bit of it, not too much, to get color. So I will just fry the tomato and all the spices for like some minutes, about 20 minutes, and then I'll let it fry a little bit, and then I'll add the fish. Stay tuned guys, so you don't miss out anything. In go the cubes. Just 1 cube is enough for now, so we're going to check on it later. If it's not okay, I will add more. Just gonna add water, not too much, just the one enough to boil the fish. In goes the fish. Put in all the fish. In goes the cover. I'm gonna allow it to boil, and then yeah. This is exactly how I like my fish. I'll just let it boil a little bit, and then we are good to go. Anyway, I'm going to reduce the gas. No, okay, reduce the gas a little bit. Meanwhile, I want to test it on camera for you guys to see. So hot. Make sure you subscribe to the channel guys. You share. There's love in sharing as always. I wish I can share my food through the lens, but it's impossible. We're waiting for the day we're gonna share food through the camera, you know. That day will never come. So yummy. Look at that guys. So nice. I'm just gonna cover it one more time for it to simmer on the low heat, on the low fire, and then we bring it down. Then I will make rice and I will eat and I will sleep. It's my evening food and it's evening. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, if you have any suggestions of the meal I should be cooking, drop it down in the comment section. I will pick it and I will try. Bye.